Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
We have our upper panel in place, and now we're going to place the drawer panel on the face of the appliance. We have to make sure that we engage the bottom adjustment brackets in with the bolts that we pre-installed earlier. And we'll have to pull the drawer out a little bit so that we don't interfere with the panel that's already installed. And lift up. And just make sure that all 4 brackets have engaged the hanger bolts, and see where we're looking alignment wise with the panel above. In which case you can use a lot of qualitative analysis here, and we want to get a nice even gap, and so we can use the adjustment bolts on the bottom to raise the panel up so that we have a nice straight line between the 2 panels. So I can see I want to go up on the right just a little bit. So I'll thread the bolt in. Raising it up. I want about a 1/8 inch gap so it's consistent around the whole appliance. And then we'll bring the other bolt up into place. And again, these are just for adjusting the height. They don't actually fix the panel in place. Once we're happy with the panel alignment, we'll use the set screws and the hanger bolts in conjunction with each other to actually lock the panel in place. And I'm happy with that, and we'll move the appliance into the niche now.